Hey, good morning. Now it's time to review drones for Halloween. Yes, Halloween, that scary time of year. It's not very scary this morning. You see the sun's out, so it's not a scary morning, but I do have a little drone behind me. Can you see it? Back there. This thing is creepy. Watch this. I can move it around. It can go different directions all over the place. Probably see it moving behind me. And hang on a sec. And it actually flies. Yeah, I'm serious. It actually flies. It drives and flies. Look at this thing. Hang on, check this out. Flips over, all sorts of stuff. And it flies. So, I'm going to show you a quick unboxing and then we'll get into the flying. Here we go. And now a quick unboxing of one of the most strangest drones I've seen in a long time, the Deformation drone. Here we go. Let's check this out. All right, checking out the contents of the box. Whoa, there it is. Look at this thing. That is very odd looking. All right, I'm gonna have to yank this out. All right, so here's the drone out of the box. Check that out. There's the top, and if I turn it to the side, there's the side. You can see my wheels were a little bit damaged in the box, so they're not really round anymore. Hopefully the props still work. And underneath there's the bottom. Looks like the skeletal thing here. And of course, a little place for the battery. Just slide this out. And there's the battery right there. I'll see if I can pull it out. Check it out. There's the front of the drone, the back of the drone right there. All right, let's see what else comes in the box. In the box, you get the instruction manual. You get a really large battery charger. That is pretty big. Plugs right into the wall. North American style. Nice. You get spare props. Finally, get this really funky looking controller. Just take this off the joysticks. And there you go. So, pretty interesting. And of course in the back, batteries, looks like it takes 4 AA batteries. They really made this look like something for like the Transformers in disguise. Yeah, pretty cool. So check out our drone. We got little LED lights in the front to make it look spooky. If it was dark, it'd look spooky. Got a little skeletal system underneath. This here is an actual camera, except my version doesn't come with the camera. If you get the version with the camera, then you put a micro SD card right here. Right underneath, there's a micro SD card that goes there. But mine's got no camera. Mine just drives around and flies. So let me show you that. Here's your controller, which is the weirdest looking controller ever. If you move this, your right joystick, you can actually control it from moving, and that's how you steer it as well. So you get it going and do all sorts of stuff. I can make it go right, left, forward, backwards. Gets up to a pretty good speed. Pretty creepy looking, kind of. Following it here. And say I want to, I've driven enough and now I want to fly it. Well, all I do is hit this button. Watch what happens. Pushing the button. Whoa, what happened there? Now, let's fly the drone. You ready? There we go. So a while ago I was driving it and now I'm flying it. Isn't that the creepiest thing ever? So, I would say for Halloween, this would freak kids out because you got this spider flying through the air and you can put it back into drive mode. Oh, and you have more speeds. I think there's a few speeds on this thing. Let me just bring it closer here. I've got it in the low speed right now. Let me see if I can put it at a faster speed. There we go, there's faster speed. Controller here, you see there's a little button down here to turn off the lights. So on and off in the front. Over here, this is your camera buttons for video and photo, except since there's no camera in here, none of these buttons work on this side, no camera. What else do we have? That's your deformation button, that's how I can flick it. And in the front is just you got your speeds. And then you also have a headless mode too, which is for beginners. There you have it. There's my super quick review of this Deformation spider bug drone thing. As you can see, it's definitely made for kids, like maybe around age 10. But I will also say this stuff here, if you crash it enough times, you're gonna break it. It's definitely not made. You'd have to fly it over grass to not break it. So yeah, it's made for like having fun on Halloween, and you know, that's pretty much it. It's kind of spooky, isn't it? Look at that spookiness. All right, so I'm gonna put links below to where you can actually order or buy this and find out more details on it. So hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you in the next video. Let's hit my little button here, Deformation.